It's just putting baking powder in 2 bananas, and you'll thank me in the end. This tip here is amazing. And it's really amazing, folks. After you do this tip here, you'll thank me. You'll see how this reaction of the banana mixing with baking powder is, and you'll thank me and want to do it at your home too. Many people have already seen this video circulating on the internet and liked the result. I'm sure that if you haven't seen it yet, you'll like it. And look, folks, just by mashing the banana with baking powder, look at how it becomes here, very aerated. See this here? Look at this. It becomes very aerated. It's a chemical reaction here, folks. Very cool. And you'll thank me. Here I've already mixed it very well. Now I'll need to add 2 eggs, and I'll also need to add half a cup of cocoa powder. I'll mix it here very gently now. Many people at home didn't believe it would work when I made this recipe, but it's amazing, folks. The result is impressive, and I'm sure that just like what happened here, it will happen at your home too. Everyone will be amazed, okay? So now I'll mix it very well. I'll already show you the consistency I need for this recipe, folks. Now here I've mixed it very well. I'm adding a tablespoon of chocolate powder, and I'll mix it very well again. But now I'll use a whisk, okay? I'll mix it here very gently. If necessary, depending on the size of your banana, the batter may be thicker than mine. In that case, just add a little milk. So now, folks, I've reached the consistency I needed. Look at the consistency of this batter here. Then now in the sequence, I'll need a baking dish. This one here is greased with butter and cocoa powder. And I'll pour our mixture in here like this. Now in the sequence, I'm adding dark chocolate, chocolate chunks, or you can use chocolate chips too, if you have them at home. So now, folks, I'll put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and you need to see the result. And look at this result here, folks. It was in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. So now it's hot. That's why I put this plate underneath. I'll flip it here to make it easier. Give it a little shake. And look at the result here, folks. Look at this. And now, here, I'll flip it again. And look at how beautiful it is, folks. So now, folks, it's time to cut it. Look at this, folks. Super fluffy, okay? And look at this, folks. It's very fluffy. Look at this. Can you believe you can make a chocolate microwave cake in 3 minutes like this? Look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at the banana pieces. What a wonderful cake, huh? And look at the detail. Super fluffy.